back after almost 5 months of being away. Feels good to be back. We've been here for 5 years and would want to continue to be here for 5 more years if possible. The office has been kept clean, tidy. Our equipment, our documents are all safe. Our plants are taken care of. All our potted plants are still growing, which is nice to see. The office is absolutely squeaky clean and tidy, which is important, and I feel that all the precautions around masks, sanitizers, fitted automated water dispensers in the washrooms, all the precautions around keeping the place sanitized, chairs, desks is being taken, which is good to see. It gives me confidence that we can get our team back as and when we are able to bring them back.
Hi, my name is Raghavendra, and I look after the operations for a company called SysCloud Technologies Private Limited. We have our offices within the Vatika Business Center suites in Chennai. We are currently working from home due to the pandemic and also in compliance with the government regulations. But before we went on the work from home mode, and while we were there in the Vatika Business Center, where we still continue to hold office space, our observations that Vatika maintained a very high level of security, safety, and also hygiene specific to the pandemic requirements, using very high quality materials, and the manpower was dedicated and trained to keep all the suites and the common areas well maintained. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Anirudh and working with this player, and we have operations center in Vatika, and this player has taken lead at Vatika. I must say that Vatika has been following all the instructions and precautions required for safeguarding and keeping everyone safe around Vatika Business Center. Whenever we enter, there's a temperature check, and everyone has been asked to sanitize their hands. Even the pantry boy who's servicing here, one, they have reduced the number of people around. There's only 1 or 2 people around here for the service, and they are maintaining their hygiene and sanitization very properly.
I am Murthy from Cradle Capital. We are taken virtual office in Vatika Business Center. I was worried to come to office, come and work office because of COVID-19. I feel insecure, so after entering into Vatika, it was very clean, maintaining social distance, cleaning the area for every 2 hours, security checking temperature. He asked me to sanitize my hand. Thanks to Vatika, keeping his office safe.
My name is Subramania. I am the designated partner of SNB Engineers and Constructors LLP. We are a wholly owned subsidiary of a US company. We have a small office in Vatika Business Center. That's the registered office. And specific to the COVID experience in Vatika, I'd like to give my best appreciation to the team in Bangalore. They have maintained an excellent protocol on the COVID norms. Whatever we have studied about the do's and don'ts of the COVID protocol, they are maintaining 100%. The office is kept very clean, and we are very happy with all the standard norms what I have heard of or what I have read in the recent past. The team is doing a wonderful job, and my special thanks to the Vatika team here. They care for our health, they care for our comfort, and they care for the convenience of all the office here. My best wishes to the team.
Hi, I'm Devopriya, and I'm working with Novartis India Limited in Vatika Business Center, Thapar House in Janpat. So basically, we are having very safe environment in the office premises. The guards are wearing masks and they continuously check our daily temperature it can help us to ensure that nobody is having any fever or cough. And secondly, the office management are very helpful and very cooperative towards us. Like the sanitization process are having they are having sanitization process every day, and they are providing a basic requirement, the daily needs, which is very necessary when we are coming to office. We want to have some like regular tea, coffee, and basic sanitization at our desk, which we are having very infrequent basis and very regular basis. So I'm quite satisfied with the facilities they are providing. So thank you guys, thank you the security team, thank you the reception team, thank you our pantry team, and thank you for our housekeeping team, which is most important part of that organization. Thank you so much guys for making us feel very secure in this premises. We are feeling very safe. Thank you.
Hi, I am a client at Vatika Business Center, and all your facilities, especially the sanitization and cleaning processes, are very impressive. And thank you for taking care of us. And we look forward to having a long association with you. And I feel very safe at this workplace.
Hello Vatika Management. I would like to thank all the supporting staff from your Outer Ring Road office. They are really doing a great job in providing a safety environment for our employees. During this pandemic time, some of us are supposed to work from office, and then all your efforts are visible, and employees feel safe and confident to come from work from office. Thank you. And especially making sure all the small things like avoiding wherever this installing touchless operations and providing sanitizers. It's good. Thank you.